Welcome to Show Art. This video is an open box video. Brand is Golden Maple. This is one package, and this is very nice hardboard box. And this section include 5 brush, watercolor brush. I'm going to take it out. It's well packaged and it's pretty heavy. The brush is pretty heavy, the handle. Okay, this is the box. Smooth handle, very heavy, not hollow, except this bamboo one. It says calligraphy 3. Mixed hair, white outside, brown inside. Probably it's sheep and whistle hair mix. This is, oh, there's some tape here. So I open the tape. I'm not sure why they tape it. Can't you just pull? No. You know what? This is kind of strange. Anyways, I never had a brush open like this. Should I open like this or? Because I can see wire. There's a wire outside here. Not sure why, but I'm just open like this. You probably need a scissor. I'm just use a knife. Use whatever I have. This is interesting. I'm not sure. Like I said, never had a brush like this. Why open like this way? Oh, you know what? It is very interesting brush. It's solid wood, and you can see there's a thick, like kind of rubber plastic, but it's soft. And then they have a metal wire, and they hand twist, and it can protect the handle and the brush. Interesting. I almost opened this wire, but apparently you do not open this wire. Wow. Never seen a brush like this. So it's kind of tricky. They just use this to rub it. Unless, I don't know. I don't know how other people open it. Let me know if you open it differently. But you know what? All the brush always have a cover, but I never ever use the cover because after use is wet and you do not want to put a cover on and just created a moisture on your brush. So unless you want to bring it outside, you need a protection. But I always use my bamboo wrap, like Susie wrap. It's protect my brush and it can brace. However, anyways, this is how you open. Today, I'm just use watercolor to do the test. It is watercolor. It is watercolor brush. I'm just using the watercolor paper to do it. You either can paint on this or you can just take it off. Very easy, take it off. Put it away. Rosy color. Kind of too far. You cannot see the color very well. Okay. Get some rosy. Because this paint is kind of too old, so they are a little bit dry. I need to make sure before they get on my paper, there's no chunk. There's no chunk on in the paint. If it's fresh paint, you may likely won't have the problem because this one is like at least 6-7 months ago I did. Rosy color. I'm just do some flower. Still pretty good. Even you see this brush is very big, but if you control the pressure well, it doesn't matter. Still can make the painting not too big. I was going to do this flower as my main subject, but then while I'm painting and changing my mind, I feel like I want to put something else. Like for example, this picture look very nice. I want to mix this parrot and this flower together. So I'm going to start with the parrot here, because I want to create some layers, front layer, middle layers parrot, and there's back layer. So I'm going to start with parrot. Let's do it here, then there. Okay, it's going to work out. There's some because I a little bit go too far here. I'm going to, this is going to be the wing here. Again, I'm just trying to thinking and painting at the same time.